The classification of reptiles. Listen careful. So the reptiles can be classified into how many? There is a 4 classes are there. First one is a Chelonias, Rhynchocephalia. What is that? Chelonia, Crocodilia, and what is that? Last one is Sauropsida. These are 4. How many? There's a 4 classes are there. First one is known as a Chelonia. Chelonia are what is that? Chelonia are called as a what is it? Chalonia. Second one is the Rhynchocephalia. Rhynchocephalian. Cephalian. Rhynchocephalian. Third one is known as Squamata or Sauropsa. Squamata or Sauropsa. The fourth one is known as a Crocodilia. Crocodilia. First one. What is the Chelonia or Chelonia? So these are containing the more number of the marine tortoise. These are can be classified by the more number of the marine tortoise are there. Marine tortoise are there. So this is known as a Chelonia. So these are most number of the organisms are marine forms, and habitation is marine form. Habit is herbivorous in nature. The Rhynchocephalia is one of the living fossil. It is present in the New Zealand. It is one of the living fossil. Living fossils in New Zealand. It does not exist. Squamata, very important. The squamatas. The squamatas are includes into reptiles, includes into lizards, garden lizards, and snakes. Introducing into these are completely carnivorous in nature. What is that? What is the wall climbers? Carnivore runners, and creepers. Creepers are also creepers. First of all, wall climbers are lizard. Lizard is a wall climber. We know that, yes. Runners are garden lizard. Garden lizard is a wall climber. What is a runner? Carnivorous runner. What is the carnivorous runners? The creeping individuals are known as the snakes are creeping individuals. Creepers, snakes. So the examples of the squamata. What is the crocodilia? The crocodilia only one is there, that is known as the crocodiles. Crocodiles are present. So this is the classification of the reptiles. Very important. What is the Chelonia or Chelonia, Rhynchocephalia, Squamata, and Crocodilia. And one more question for the examination point of view, very important. That is known as a what is that? What is the poisonous and non-poisonous snakes are there? It is Indian poisonous and snakes. Poisonous snakes and non-poisonous snake. So there is a 2 different type of snakes are there. We know that, everyone. The poisonous snakes and non-poisonous snakes. So what is the poisonous and what is the non-poisonous? And very important character is, so how the poisonous glands are formed. And one more important character, you can everyone write on characteristic features of the reptilia. So the reptiles and the snakes and lizard. The snakes and lizard, write everyone this point. Snakes and lizards are development of Jacobson organ. Is that very important? Snakes and lizards are developed Jacobson organ. Which organ? Jacobson organ. Snakes and reptiles are development of the Jacobson organ. It is act like an olfactory lobe for determination of the smell. Very important. So the sensor, these which one? The snakes and lizards are development of the Jacobson organ. So Jacobson organ act like a olfactory lobe. So what is the importance of the olfactory lobe? It is a perception or determination of the smell. Clear? It is one of the sensory organ. It is a act like a olfactory lobe. Olfactory nothing but nozzle. Olfactory lobe for determination of smell. It is one of the sensory organ. From the detection of the smell and directly leads into the CNS, central nervous system. So it is a very important characters of the, everyone note in important characters of the reptiles. Next one, what is the poisonous and non-poisonous snake? Before we are discussing how the snakes are formed or get poisonous glands. Clear? How they are forming poisonous glands. Very, very important character. In snakes, the salivary glands, what are they in the buccal cavity contain the salivary gland. The modification of the salivary glands are converts into poisonous gland. Everyone is shocking, but it is true. The salivary glands are modified. The salivary glands are modified to converts into, that salivary glands are modified and converts into poisonous glands. So for why? For why? So what is that? The salivary glands of reptiles. Example, snakes and lizards. Lizards are also have a poisonous gland. I will give you the example. Listen carefully. Snakes and lizards. Salivary glands are converts into, the salivary glands of reptiles are converts into poisonous gland. Clear? So the salivary glands are converts into poisonous. Why they are formed? Why they are conversion of the salivary glands into poison? Why? Because there is no locomotory organ. Snakes are don't have any locomotory organ, but it is the ribs are converts into, the ribs are facilitated to for moving. That type of locomotion is known as the creeping movement. So the poisonous glands are useful for the offensive, defensive, protective function. So it is act like a offensive, defensive mechanism. So these are modification of the salivary glands and converts into poisonous glands. So I will give the example. Poisonous snakes, lizard is a Hylonia. What is that? Hylonia. Hylonia is a what is a poisonous lizard. Hylonia is a one of the poisonous lizard. Clear? So next one. They are asking question, what is the poisonous and what is the non-poisonous snakes? Example, first one is a poisonous snakes. Poisonous snakes in India. Poisonous snakes. Let's write. First one is Ophiophagous gushenna. First one, note down everyone. First one, Ophiophagous gushenna. Ophiophagous. The terms are very difficult. Ophiophagous hasihenna. Ophiophagous gushenna. Second one is Naza. Poisonous snake. What we are right? Poisonous snake. Third one is Bangarus. It is a marine snake. Bangarus. The fourth one is Russell's viper or viper russellsi. Viper russellsi. Viper russellsi or Russell's viper. Fifth one is king cobra. So these are poisonous snakes. Next one is non-poisonous snakes. Non-poisonous snakes are, first one is non-poisonous snakes. So non-poisonous snakes is rat snake, Second one is rat snake are nothing but python. Python. Rat snake and green. What is that? What is that? Green. It's a green snake. It's a marine form. These two are non-poisonous. These two are non-poisonous. Are you clear? The poisonous or non-poisonous? Poisonous snakes are how many? These are Ophiophagus hasihenna, Gossyhenna, Naza, Ophiophagus hasihenna, Naza, Bangarus, Viper Russelsia viper, and king cobra. So these are non-poisonous are rat snake or python or green snakes. These are in non-poisonous. The green snake is in marine in condition.